Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips TAT1138 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily use all the gestures. So, to pause and unpause your music, which is the first and the most important one, you just have to click this button over here. As you can see, it works. Now, if you want to switch to the next song, you have to double tap this button. If you want to go to the previous, you have to do the same on the left earbud. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, if you want to call Siri or something like that, or Google Assistant, you just have to hold the button for a few seconds. And as you can see, our Siri is now on. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.